Do you ever brush your hair over top of a pair of black leggings and realize there's all these little tiny hairs that shed off when you brush your hair? This is likely from a condition called Trichorrhexis nodosa. It can happen for many reasons: heat damage, chemical damage, iron deficiencies, other vitamin deficiencies. And what happens is you get these little protein bulges towards the ends of your hair where you will see a little node. I'll put a picture because you're not going to be able to see it on my hair in this camera. These little nodes, when the hair gets tension on it, it'll snap at the node, resulting in little hairs. It's what makes your hair grow so slow because those ends are snapping off. Mine is not usually this bad. I'm due for a haircut, and trimming my hair on a regular basis helps me to stay ahead of all of those little nodes. And because I bleach my hair and heat style it a lot, that's likely why I have it. But I have seen some clients who have it from severe iron deficiency and other things. You can stay ahead of it with protein treatments, lots of hydration, and regular haircuts. But if you're noticing it looks as bad as mine does right now, you should probably look into it, or you're going to lose a lot of length in your hair.